Time for a crypto market update, June 17th, 2025. Question of the day: what happens when the United States demands an unconditional surrender from Iran? You get a lot of scared people on this app trying to make decisions alone, and well, bad things typically happen from this kind of reactionary strategy. You also end up hearing from a lot of experts on the Strait of Hormuz and geopolitical conflicts and the price of oil, etc., etc. All the while, Bitcoin is clinging to the Wyckoff accumulation schematic. It experienced its spring movement on April 6th and is following up nicely into phase E, which is markup. All the while, in Iran, I'm from Alabama, we don't know how to talk. Major banks, one of the largest banks in Iran, erased in a major cyber attack all the databases. All its ATMs are non-functional and customers can't withdraw cash. Now, call timeout. What if that actually happened in your neck of the woods? What would that create, and what would you do for money? Something that's not centralized, something that no tyrant or foreign power can corrupt. Ultimately, that's why this chart will always go up over high time frames. And this is one of the reasons why this particular asset has gone from $200, $10, all the way up to what it's at now, 103, 104, 105,000. And it'll continue to go up. Its compound annual growth rate is going to continue to be 30 to 50% annually. Now, today, the United States Congress is voting on the Genius Act, which will normalize the use of stable coins. And now, JP Morgan Chase has talked about creating and have formally created their own stable coin on the Ethereum blockchain. Yes, the Ethereum blockchain, the one that everyone hates and the one that's going to outpace everyone's expectations very soon. Oh, and by the way, here are some of the previous six, I think the last six major geopolitical conflicts, quote unquote wars, and what the markets did in reaction. The Afghanistan war back in 01 to 03 is really the only one with a marked downtrend. Now, here's some more empirical kind of macro data. This is the Ethereum dominance chart, still in an uptrend despite World War III. And here's the US dollar, the DXY US dollar index, still in a weekly downtrend. The lower the dollar goes, the higher risk on assets will go. Here's ETH BTC, very close to the ETH dominance or ETH.D dominance chart we already looked at, but this is specifically Ethereum's performance in relation to Bitcoin. And well, as you can see, Bitcoin hasn't just been crushing it and stealing its lunch money. It's kind of creating that base, that coiling sense. And if you can look past the conflicts right now in the headlines and realize that market makers, whales, and manipulators are using the headlines to shake you out, you'll realize that this is the beginning of something really special. And of course, USDT dominance, the dominance of the largest stablecoin on the planet's performance, is continually making lower highs. Downtrend in stablecoin usage means more profit or more capital dry gunpowder rotating into risk on assets. You'll see days, maybe a week or two, of USDT dominance increase during these crazy Trump headline days, but ultimately the trend is your friend. Remember, don't believe all of the traditional financial theories, narratives, horoscopes out there. There are things happening that are much larger than you actually even realize are happening. Oh, and I got my new Bitcoin Gemini. It's orange. That's fun. That's a credit card where you invest when you spend. I think that's a pretty catchy marketing logo, by the way. But if you're a credit card user, why earn Sky Miles and hotel points when you can earn Bitcoin? So that's fun. If you're still watching this video, please be aware that there are plenty of scammers out there. I don't respond with bad photoshopped text images or stupid video responses that are just like a static image. I know you guys are smarter than that. I'm also not the person DMing you on this app or on Telegram or WhatsApp. So please just avoid any kind of solicitations when it comes to crypto. The only way I interact with people about crypto is on a one-on-one Zoom video call. And that's only after you go to cryptoyall.com, which is my official website, and you watch my 12, 13-minute overview video so that you can kind of get a grip on the crypto flywheel method. There you will learn how cash flow, appreciation, and leverage all act in concert with each other to basically form an asset that you can control with crypto literacy skills and market cycle knowledge. So if you feel like you're alone in this whole investing journey and you don't want to do it alone anymore and you want to be a part of a community with people who share your core values, maybe you're a mom, a dad, a business owner, a retiree, a pre-retiree, someone who just cares about your local community or a philanthropy, and you want to make the world around you a better place, and you're not so much into the Lambos and the tech bros, and you just want to make your mark, go to cryptoyall.com and join me. I'll see you there. Like and follow for more, and give me a number 2 in the comments if you love this kind of content.